Hey everyone, in this video we will go through the exchanges section and show you what it contains and how to use the features. So this is the first view that shows you a high-level view of each exchange that you have linked along with the balances. You have the option to link an additional exchange from here if you so choose. For an already linked exchange, we can either click on Edit Allocations or go to the Exchange Overview page. This is the overview page for the Binance exchange. Let's start from the top. The Actions tab currently has 4 options. Settings, where you can either update your API key and secret or delete the exchange. Edit, where you can edit your allocation strategy. Automate, where you can currently set up your rebalance bot settings and the buy low, sell high bot settings. And then a rebalance button to trigger a rebalance of your Binance asset allocation class. Now, I always suggest to edit your asset allocation to a clean allocation strategy right after you link your exchange account. This lets you understand and manage your portfolio better. You can do that by either clicking on the edit button here, which I will show you in a second. Below this is the exchange summary with the real-time streaming balances and performance. Then we have a chart and a list of assets that you own on this exchange with trade buttons to manually trade these assets using the trading terminal, which I will show you in a future video. Lastly, at the very bottom, there's a section that shows you any open orders for this exchange that you might have. Now going back into the edit allocation section. This page lets you choose from coins that are available in this exchange. To make it easier, we have created some indexes here for which you can simply click on and use. For example, top 10 market cap. This chart will show you representation of your desired allocation strategy. Below that, you can see the top 5 latest news of each of the coins that you have selected to help you make a better informed decision. Now, clicking on the Save Allocations button will save this allocation strategy to your Binance account and run a rebalance. Now you will see a notification on the top of your screen that rebalancing is in progress. Thank you for watching, and in the next video, we'll go through the trading terminal.